Is it possible to skip going to the nail salon and do gel manicure yourself at home? Absolutely. In this video, I will guide you through step-by-step process and will use gel mini salon kit that includes everything you need by Modelones. Hello guys, I'm Anastasia, international nail expert and educator.
We will definitely need base coat and top coat, and these are nail remover wraps. You can use them when you decide to remove your gel manicure. Plastic cuticle pusher is very similar to orange wood stick but reusable. Cuticle cutter and nail file are included in the kit. Please be careful when using this cuticle cutter tool with the metallic side because you can accidentally cut your cuticles, but I will show you how to use it for your sidewalls. Mini UV LED nail lamp is also included in the kit. Awesome! Looks like we have everything we need, so let's get started. This tutorial was recorded for you by Anna Fox. Let's start by cleaning the hands. You can simply wash them with a soap, or you can also use a cleansing foam. If you used a hand cream or lotion, this is especially important. You need to wash it off thoroughly, otherwise the product will not adhere very well and we may experience some product lifting. Proceed to pushing back the cuticles with the plastic side of this cutter tool, and this is the only way to safely use this metallic blade to carefully trim the dry part of the skin in the corners. I personally think that it's extremely hard to control it if you decide to use it for your cuticles, so this is at your own risk, and once again, please be very careful. But for these parts, it's pretty easy to use it because you can control it and the skin is usually thicker in this area. But the cuticles don't look good at all, so this is what we're going to do. Apply some cuticle remover, wait for about 2 to 3 minutes, the time may vary though depending on the brand you are using, and push them back again. You will notice that some of the dead skin is easily separating now. This method works great for home manicure if you don't have too much dry skin or if you want to avoid trimming the cuticles. Then clean the rest of the cuticle remover or wash your hands again, and then we can shape the nails. If you have some product leftovers on your nails but they're not discolored or lifting, then it's totally fine to leave it on your nail. Actually, I think it's even better to leave it so you will not need to overfile your natural nails. And the next step is applying base coat. This step is going to determine how well your color application will look like. We need to apply a thin coat without touching the skin, but also get as close as you can. Do not forget to check the side view if you covered the sidewalls and that you don't have any empty spots. Cure the base coat for 60 seconds if you are using a small lamp like this. If you are doing your own nails, I recommend you to try this. Apply base coat on one nail and then cure it. This is the same way how I do my nails. Because yes, you can apply it on 5 nails and cure it then. This is more of a pro method, but I really try to avoid it because I can accidentally smudge it. I may not notice if the base coat slightly flooded my sidewall, but if you do it one by one, this is how you will be sure that it is going to stay at exact same place as you applied it. Cure each nail and let's choose the color. The kit includes 4 colors. They are all nude, as well as the stickers that we can use for nail art once we're done with the color application. I like that the stickers are on a clear base so you can see through on your nails them first and see if they're going to fit. Now, what about the color? This one seems very transparent and looks more like a natural color, while this one has a slight shimmer in it. I think we are going to use this one, but on top of some other color. Next color is more like a dusty pink, and this one is not a see-through because I know that some people hate when the color is transparent. And the next one is beige and also has a great coverage. But I think we're going to go with the semi-transparent one and then use the shimmer on the top. By the way, this is not the only color combination that is offered by Modelones with Mini Salon Gel Kit, so please check with the colors that I included. There are some kits with the pastels and pink shades. When applying the color, it really depends on your skills and on the color. When it's like this, pretty transparent, I think it's okay to apply it on a few nails and then cure it, but once again, if you feel confident about your application. But if we're applying a different type of color, such as red or black, then it's also definitely better to do it one by one and then cure it in LED for 1 minute. And I think one coat will be enough here, and then we're going to cover it with this shimmer transparent pink color. The goal is to have girly, natural looking transparent manicure, so I think the combination of these two colors is going to work very well. If you wish to have more glitter or more color on your nail, do not try to apply thicker coat right away. Instead, it is better to divide it into 2 steps. Apply the first one, cure it, and apply the second one. Because if you apply it too thick, the nails are going to look bulky, and also you may have trouble curing them. So once you're done with the color, cure it as well. And now let's choose the stickers. You can use this plastic cuticle pusher to carefully separate them from the paper and apply them on your nails. These are not regular flat stickers, they are slightly 3D, so they will give a little bit of volume on our nails. When separating it, be careful. I strongly do not recommend you to touch the sticky part with your hands, otherwise they are not going to adhere very well. Make sure that you carefully roll the sticker on top of the nail and you don't have any bubbles inside. If you do, eventually they may peel. Also, some stickers include this little half pearl, which I think looks so cute too. When applying them, it is better not to do it super close to the free edge because this is the area where they can fall off easily, so it's better to do it in the center or closer to the cuticle. This sticker is so cute and reminds me of a chain for a necklace, so why don't we apply it like this to the cuticle and then add the B, which is the logo of Modelones. So now we have some kind of a necklace. Before sealing it with a top coat, once again check for bubbles, that you don't have any in your stickers, and then we're going to seal it with a top coat. Since we have some 3D elements here to cover, it's totally fine if you will take more top coat than usual, and make sure that you cover the sidewalls and the entire surface. Cure for 60 seconds in LED, and if at this point you look at them and you're like, oh no, I hate the shape, it is absolutely fine to fix it right now. But hold the nail file like this, like you're filing under the nail, because obviously we cannot file on top now because we're going to ruin our beautiful design. And it's also fine to use this tool as well if you notice something that you haven't cleaned before. The link to this gel mini salon will be in the description box as usual. Let me guys know if this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post new nail art tutorials just like this one every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye!